Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are well. So I'm actually beaming because today we are unboxing a trainers that I bought from Zalando. So this is the Tommy Hilfiger trainers that I am so looking forward to trying. I have not actually put it on yet because I just want to get my first reaction and really talk to you guys through it. So I am so excited. This is my first time using Zalando platform. It was actually a friend that told me to use the platform that they do deliver like so quickly to the UK, so which I tried. I am so super happy. So what actually happened is that I was looking like for trainers for my daughter because I don't want to physically take my daughter to the shop to for them to do like shoe fitting and all those kind of stuff because of this coronavirus situation. So what I thought probably I would just order something and I would just order something. So luckily Zalando they were doing sales. So as I was shopping for my daughter, I saw this beautiful trainers and it's Tommy Hilfiger, and I've been like in the hunt for trainers because I don't really like chunky trainers. My feet is size 8, UK 8, and it's quite big fit if you see what I mean, but it's appropriate for my height. So with chunky trainers doesn't really suit me that much because I think that it kind of draw the interest to my feet. So I don't really want to exaggerate my feet when I have all this bait to showcase, if you see what I mean. So this is what we'll be doing today. I will be unboxing these trainers with you. I can't wait to show you guys. Yeah, I am so super excited. So let me just bring it out for you guys to see. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Whee! That fell off. This is the trainers. Oh my goodness, it feels absolutely light, as if there's nothing to these trainers. It feels so light. Oh, I just love the details. I think what drew me to these trainers when I saw it on the website, I just love this detail here. And the side, it has the Tommy Hilfiger sign, then the print here. And yeah, I love the lace. I just love the red and indigo theme going on. It just looks so pretty, and the bottom is like this too. So I think it's a really nice trainers. And at the top is the finishing at the top is leather, which is really good. It's just so soft. Is it soft or it's just so lightweight? It's so light, as if there's nothing to this. Is it even barely like a kilogram or two? It's just like so super light. The inside is very squishy, you know, as if there's a memory foam thing on the inside. It's so soft. I hope it honestly fits. I picked this one in size 7. So depending on the shop, sometimes I could fit perfectly in size 7. Sometimes I fit in size 8. So in this occasion, I'm just hoping that this one will fit me nicely and it does not rub my feet. So basically at the end of I will be showing you guys how it actually fits on my feet, and I will be showing you guys my outfit of the day, like what I am putting on today basically. So this is it, and this one was going for, I can't remember how much the original price is, but if I find it, I'm going to insert it there for you guys to see. It was on sale for £42. I think is a bargain for that kind of price, you know. So I got the bag. I think this is the reason why I thought I will buy it online and see if it's going to fit me properly. So fingers crossed that it actually does. So I think it's really cheap for the price. So I'm just looking. Oh, this is actually 7.5. So I think I might have a chance here. I think I might just have a chance here. For 7.5, I think I might just have a chance here. So I'm really quite excited about that. I think in terms of the sizing, I think it will fit, but it's just a question of if it's going to be too chunky on my leg. I'm not quite sure about that. So let me just switch you over to my mirror for you guys to see the outfit of the day, as well as my new baby. Guys, like I told you guys that I'll be showing you what I'm putting on. I'm just putting on a little white top, and I have this denim jeans skirt that I absolutely love. Is high-waisted, is like so cute. So I'm just at home today, by the way. It's not like I am going anywhere. So it's just like a really nice outfit. And on my neck here, I have my little gold necklace. I love this necklace. It's always, I think most of you've seen it on my videos, like it's always on my neck. I bath with it, I sleep with it, I do everything with this necklace because it just like, it's pure gold. I just love the tone. I think recently I connected with this necklace again. So yeah, there's a little story behind this necklace, and since I put it on, I have not taken it off because it's just like so lovely. So by the way, this is the trainers. So I don't know, I think putting it on my feet now, I'm beginning to have different feeling. It's just like so weird. It's just like so weird at the moment, because I was complaining that maybe the size might be too, it might be too small, but honestly, it feels so big. Can you see the gap? I think it's just too big. It's just too big for my feet. And I think the front is a bit too busy. This is just my own opinion. I think it's just like a little bit too busy for me. It just looks like the front, you know, the lacy bits just look like a man trainers, you know, like men trainers. Is it just because I'm not used to trainers? I have no idea. But it just look like a man's trainers. It just looks so big. I'm so sorry to all the trainers lover, but just correct me. I might be completely wrong, but yeah, it's just the front. It's just I don't think I like the front. And look at my leg in the trainers. I don't think this is for me. And look, I could just slip it off. It's way too big. But the back is cute though. The back is so cute. I think for the front, yeah, I think with the lace and everything now, I don't think I like it. I think it's just too busy. A bit too busy for my liking. But this is why I have you guys, because I know that you guys always gives me your nice opinion. And yeah, I'm relying on you guys. I'm relying on your expertise on this issue. So yeah, so help a sister out with this one. Help a sister up with this one. So what do you, I think it's just a bit too lacy. I'm sure there are some people that would just love the trainers, but for me, I think I might just still think about having my canvas. And I have one Puma and I have one Nike. The Nike one I really like. I think I got that one last year. So that is really nice. It's not too chunky. So in terms of chunkiness, this one looks a little bit chunky, doesn't it? It looks a little bit chunky. But one thing I'm not going to take away from these trainers is that these trainers is very lightweighted. As if there's nothing on my leg. It really is lightweighted. I might change my mind because I'll have to go put it on and show my husband and see, and with your own comments, then I would make my final decision whether to keep it or not to keep it. I'll show you the sideways. So this is the sideways. Yeah. So I think that's the best thing to do. I'm just going to go show my husband and with your expatriate, and I'll just support. In terms of the gap might not necessarily be, let me show you the gap again. It might not necessarily be like a bad thing, because when you pull by the time I add my socks and everything like that, so it might be really is good. So yeah, so anyway, if you see my face for the first time, I am Gladon. You are welcome to this channel. So on this channel, I do fashion and I do beauty. So if you're interested in things like this, do not hesitate to subscribe to the channel. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for ever watching my video and for your endless support. I do really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. So I will see you, and I will just leave you with this. Stay positive, stay blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. So the inside is very squidgy. Is it squidgy or not squidgy? It's very squidgy. Not squidgy, squishy.